This is the front cover of the Fresh Direction magazine, featuring a masthead, banner, date line, selling lines and cover lines, along with a main image and model credit to go with it. You can also see that the left third of the cover shows the main headlines, as this is what will be visible when the magazine is on display. This section of the cover needs to be more eye-catching to draw customers in. At the top is the masthead in a serif font. This is the part of the magazine where the brand is most recognisable, so it takes up a bulk of the top half of the cover. The thin banner at the very top sums up briefly all of the areas that the magazine covers, as to keep concise when advertising the contents of the magazine, to get as much info in as little words as possible. The selling line beneath the masthead, reading "The #1 Student Magazine," is meant to accompany the title of the magazine to advertise it more, hence selling line. To the right of this is the date line, which simply shows when the magazine was released. Spread across the left and right sides of the cover are cover lines, brief titles to advertise content and give a glimpse into the main features of the issue. Behind all of the text on the cover is the main image, in this case a model who is the figurehead for this particular issue. The main image should be the driving selling point of a cover in terms of appearance, as it covers the most amount of space. This image is coupled with a model credit with anchorage to show who the model is, along with a line of text to link her to a feature in the issue. This is the contents page, featuring another main title, Fresh Direction, and a whole table of contents, a collection of text and images, each with their own number as to indicate whereabouts in the magazine they are featured. Some of the main features relate to cover stories, as to keep consistent with the cover page and to send readers to the appropriate pages for each. To the left of the page is the editor's letter. This is addressed to readers to give an explanation and editor's insight into the issue's features. The bottom text box is called the impressum, a list of people who worked on the issue along with their individual roles, to show the reader the group of people that run the magazine's production. And finally, at the very bottom of the page is the folio. This is some text that indicates the basics, page number, website and initials of the magazine, FD for Fresh Direction.